Hello, it's Adela here again. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we are provided with educational content related to cryptocurrency and blockchain. And so today, we are here discussing Binance Pay. And so what is Binance Pay and how can it favor you as an individual consumer or as a business? That's what we want to look at today. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on notification icon, and turn on the bell icon as well. Thank you. And so, like we said, we are discussing Binance Pay. What is Binance Pay? Binance Pay is a payment technology created by Binance, and it has the following features. Number one, it is contactless. That is, it does not require the physical contact of both parties in the transaction before it functions well. And two, it is borderless. That is, it does not require same country location for proper functionality. It functions irrespective of how distant the countries of both parties are from each other. Finally, and most importantly, it is secure, and that is why Binance is trusted. So let's continue. I know what you're thinking. You're wondering, okay, how do I use Binance Pay? Isn't it? Okay, let's go right to it. Now, to use Binance Pay, the first thing to do is to register a Binance account, create a Binance account. And how do you do that? Go to the link in the description box below, the link one, or check out for the pop-up notification up here. Click it, and it will take you right to the registration page where you then proceed with how to create a Binance account. And if you don't know how to create a Binance account, you can also check my description box for a YouTube video link to that will guide you on how to create a Binance account. You can also check the notification up here, click the link, and it will take you right to that video. Thank you. So once that is set, you just go straight, open your Binance app, go to the bottom right corner of the app, and then click wallet. From the wallet, in the list of tabs at the top, scroll sideways, and once you get to funding tab, click right there. And on the funding tab, at the middle or the center of the page, you'll see pay. Click pay, and there you'll be welcome to the Binance Pay page. And now, at this point, two things can happen. If you have been using the Binance app before now, you've been using P2P, that is, you've transacted on the P2P platform before on the Binance app, then you won't have a problem here. You just go straight into Binance Pay. But if this is your first time ever using the Binance app, don't worry. You'll be asked to fill in some details. First is your nickname, and then your PIN. These are very essential. So once you've done that, you are right there on the Binance Pay page. And so you see the send and receive button as well as some other important things to know. And so, what do you now do? I will explain that. And so now let's go to our screen. Let me show you a little bit of demonstration before I show you as a business owner how this can be very helpful to you if you desire a crypto payment in your business, and then for you, a consumer, how this Binance Pay can be of help to you paying via crypto. If you so desire, the option is there and it is perfectly secure. So let's go. Okay, so here we are on our Binance app. What to do is just to go to the bottom left corner of the screen where you see wallet. And now in your wallet, let me go. This how yours will be the first time. Your wallet will be under in the overview tab. Now scroll sideways, and then there you see funding. In the funding, tap on it, and at the center of the page, click on pay. And now it is because I've been using this before. I've been using P2P before, and so my details are transferred from my P2P into Binance Pay. But if you are doing yours for the first time, you see a page where you'll be asked to enter some details. So please kindly do that. I will show you a screenshot of how that page will look like. So to send money to someone, just click on send. And you see, so you can send. You just need the email of the person, the phone number, or the pay ID. I'm sure you have to get your pay ID. So you may need, if you have the phone number of the person, the phone number must be the phone number with which the person is registered on Binance, or the email with which the person is registered on Binance. So either of these can be used to fund that person. Do you understand? Either of these can be used to fund that person. So let's say you enter the email of the person and you click continue. So once you click continue, the page will be brought up where you'll be asked to select which of the crypto assets you currently have that you want to transfer or send to the person. So if it is USDT, you select USDT, and then once you make your selection, this page will be provided. And in this page, what you do is just to enter the amount you want to transfer to the person. So let's say you want to transfer 10 USDT to the person, and then you can add note. You can add note, blah 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 blah. This is the reason why I'm sending you this or that or those. Then you confirm, that's the note, and then you click continue. So let's say you want to receive. I'm not sure my screen recorder is recording all of this, but I just hope you understand. Once you practice it, you will know better. So let's say you want to receive. What you do on the Binance Pay homepage is just to click on receive. And so once you click on receive, you'll be provided with this page. You have the QR code, and then since you want to receive, this will be most beneficial to business owners who have product and they want to attach a crypto option for payment. You want to attach it to the product online. What you do is to come and create the cost or the amount of the product using this Binance Pay. So you enter the amount here. Let's say you want to enter, you select the coin, whichever one, USDT or whatever. So USDT is default, so I'm okay with that. Then you can select the amount of the product or the price of the product. 10 USDT is okay. You click confirm. So your QR code has been set to 10 USDT now. So whoever is want to buy using this, we have to scan this, and then it will display on his or her screen that 10 USDT will be deducted from his balance, and so it goes. So you copy, you save the QR code like this. You save it to your phone, and that's it. And as well, you can see your Binance Pay ID there below as well. So that's just how you create your Binance, your receiving QR code. And so you can send it to the person, or however way you want it. You can save it as an image, the person will just scan. So I hope you understand. Okay, the other time I saved a QR code that is what you send to a buyer who is buying from you, and then he sees it, scan it, and then he pays to your wallet. You see it, and then you release. Is good to him. Let me now show you how this works on the buyer side. So what the buyer just have to do is to come and click this scan icon at the top right corner of the screen, as you can see. So once you click the icon, then since I already have the image on my phone, I can click photo, and then just once. As you can see, it's saying I have this, I want to send this to this pay ID. As you can see, let's assume I'm the buyer. I was the one that created this. So it's saying I want to send this to this ID, which is myself actually. And so I click continue. So I cannot, it's my own wallet, I cannot send. Don't worry, very soon I will have an online live session where I'll guide many newbies into using Binance app and how to make money using trading cryptocurrency or anything around cryptocurrency whatsoever. So please stay tuned for that event to be announced shortly in my WhatsApp group or in my Telegram group. So please kindly join my WhatsApp group, my Telegram group, as sent in the description box below. Okay. So I told you the other time that I will show you how to get your Binance Pay ID. So what you just have to do is to come to settings. In your settings, you can see this is your Pay ID. You just click copy. Now this is your nickname. If you've opened a P2P account before, your nickname, your P2P nickname will automatically will be transferred to your Binance Pay nickname. So it's only this Pay ID that may be different. So that's how you get your Pay ID. You can click copy, and so if somebody is willing to send some amount to you, and you just want to receive the amount, just send your Pay ID to the person. So the person will have to come to send and just enter your Pay ID and send you the money straight away. And if it is email, you send the person that this is my email on Binance, so just enter my email and send me the amount straight away. And if somebody is willing to send you your crypto, some of crypto, you can give the person the phone number with which you use to register your Binance account, and the money, the crypto will come to your Binance app straight away. I hope you get that. Lest I forget, I said I will show you how as a consumer you can also benefit from this platform, buying online and paying with crypto. Though there are not so many merchants presently, but if you are one of those that patronizes the current ones, you see them here. So what you do is, once you are on the Binance Pay page, just below at the bottom of your screen, you see live on crypto. So just click on that big button, and that will take you straight to merchant stores, and you see a few lists of the merchants. So if you have been transacting with any of those businesses before, it has become easier now with Binance Pay. So you just scroll and see what they have to offer. For me, I'm not familiar with many of them. You can look at them and see if you've been patronizing any one of them before now. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can know when I post the next video that may be helpful to you. It may help your cryptocurrency knowledge in one way or the other. Now I focus on Binance because Binance is the leader in the industry, and in so many ways I've enjoyed Binance, and I've enjoyed their product and what they have to offer. So I'm willing to share some of these with you, if not all, at least some of them. So give my video a thumbs up so that many people can also see this and then watch it as well. It will help me to grow my channel as well. So hope you know. Thank you.